line up na me tin dem yema so kakra is it 4 and 5 no Leo and a Kata di Brana to the 4 and 5 you good you know why after this tournament there's here pam yes there be where the minimum way there be where the PM and the line head coach now first match or 4 and 5 I was it Kata di Brana and Leo Badomoshi ball. Badomoshi 4 and 5. Yeah, so me about me foul. Okay. Me who say ambulance is here. Okay. Be fine. All right. What is a cat at ambulance? O talk for my no medical team no. But some these seconds ground or touch now. Most why say perfect problem. Mon ko park resun ko peja. Na mo person ku bobo no, o mo be hu ana. Me say my catch say me no. O ko for recruitment. Kalusha boila. O de busu bia so pe kalusha boila. O me kama sam de acho. Kofi. Me days anam bobo no. Na e player. Me days o de peja ball ne brasi. O de ebo. O de peja ball ne brasi. Na me je ball ne tene. O do mu jalo asa tene. O say me show see me face you see. To o bobo ni see am de me bono. Me gini si anam de attend say me de tune na my body kakra ti me nya tanu say na ball ne to form a na me control a wo ukran keye me de line so line me kun 7-11 star the young guy say obi o ti obi ene and now one more padra why you come see me in action. Proper winger. 11 and 7. Me number 7. Number 7. Left foot and right. I know my cutting in. Left foot and me pass me right. And I was saying right where that cutting. Oh, and so Sentina make a choice or ball tie utie o ball na usha. Na usha. O boat 2 liter. Me boat fit. But Oba make sure the reason here near from Kalisha Boalia no. And so Usman Dembele, and family to Usman Dembele. Yes, I'm now ye. What's my rule? Kofi, love am Coco do football me. Oh, sometimes you know, and three Kofi. Oh, yeah, cause you now today. Sometimes on football and you fair to any panibi. But last boy Kofi me mamba bono for ko me bi ni o. The match you need to take for any ade boy. Na me fit. Hold on. You team here we got. You ko boss a game na me fit. Na me fit. No wunim. So wunim. But is there fit? 100%. Maybe me boot ni bibia I ready. Ai me shene me bibia okay. Ti no answer me we show na my dress it to Pajo. We show ambulance ba ko nya wo dia. Oh there be. Me a fit oh. Because when Petro was a collapse. Yeah, president, was a collapse. Me a fit rough. Yes, Saturday. Come on. Who was a pass Saturday? Men so be a Saturday. Saturday. On can share the lasso. Okay. And so systems under the assistant. Me drew Pado na do obo bi me film na my bobo. Me di 5 minutes grab on memo. No, me a star player. Star player dem chemo kakra bo agu asi yo money here go just am no mbekasa eno no kwa mekwa kwatam kam na the lab bunku to bi senior esrew ayesa memo obi abeka dem mobo ni bi nti obi an shop ado wie ya ba pado na ye the lab fm corporate games no dey about shisha so do mo se ni pe go sure enti do o ma ye be hu say yes e friend say agroba so if you no pa na no so dey eno ani agroba ma no sure enti do a agro ne form but you say first on go training e mo pass to mo 8 do a na wo baba say yeah ai centro compressor na ni me check I say we dey debia kasa say ya o say obode central dey campista and it too vain obi o hu me bo obi anu say me central campista And their pello. Kindaro say, Richard can lie, but you mean Chan Trobacco. As a man came, Mikai, Masama example, Machlemechi, Masudio Kufur, Udia was a Mebuaco for the park in oh, full compact and so. Vogum, is your park in the I knew a school. Vogum school, school mona. Eh, Mammy, who's on any maybe, oh, Kufinya today. So, a Kotoko former defender, our Mohammed. Our Mohammed. Okay, no, our. South Africa, Ball South Africa, Pusano. Oh, Miss Minute, I want in any boat. Your boat rangers over full room. What's my coming to man on Portugal? Rangers. Now, some time, no. Me be Fifi in my car. Rangers coach or Bammy Fee. Be making sure so on him, Mamma Casa so. The star player there. Winjano no more Bobo, mammy. Let me yet drew me be Rapak as well. If I'm telling you, I'm on my pocket cars. Ever show Kalucha Boalia. Now, one, your boom is about to Kalucha Boalia. Mr. said, Coffee? The Bobo Bona Bonana. That time, the Nasa Mom phone said, first, no was a mere Kubofu. Aha, Nasa, oh, boys, oh, Onye. Yabobo, Coffee. Yabobo. And I say, me, my aunt, Bolle. Nigeria footballer, my anobola. All right, Yanko. For me now, and some years you see, and I think they're very interesting for a team for say Omedia team, especially from your side. And India make us say, we share European qualifiers. No? And even South American qualifiers now, my boy, you know. And how certain players which the season is going to be very, very interesting. Okay. Because we share a result of European qualifiers. Liechtenstein and Kazakhstan, boy. Kazakhstan is 4-0. Northern Ireland is Slovakia by 2-0. France is Azerbaijan by 3-0. Belgium and North Macedonia ball draw 0-0. Germany is Luxembourg by 4-0. Sweden is but they lost to Tima, your friend Switzerland by 2-0. And Iceland and Ukraine game 5-3 in favor of Ukraine. Also conversations. Which do you know that we are just 2 weeks away from your Classico? 15 days officially. Near the ball Classico. Which the performance of Kylian Mbappé and in South France game normally Azerbaijan boy. Yes, it is Azerbaijan. But then the fact that Mbappé keeps on going from levels to levels in terms of the consistency. Any ball for both club and country, you know. Which, unless something stops Mbappé in his tracks, this season, to be very honest, say we a pro Barca fan, you get a little bit worried. Yes, the game is not just between Madrid and it's not between Barcelona and Mbappé. It's between Mbappé and then Madrid. Between Barcelona and Madrid. But the quality of a branch friend Kylian Mbappé, Rich, is telling. And then when France needed a goal, quick, 45 plus 2 minutes. Now, the way you see a goal, and then a regular, normal Kylian Mbappé finishing of Gina boxing, where pure finish, and it was 1-2. It was Mbappé at his ultimate best. Fabulous from deep. Who said, or some dribbling or dropping his shoulder, no? Then evades 2-3. This time he evaded almost 4 players. Got into the box. Protected the goal before swatting it at the back of the net. Rich. Mbappé the ball in the ball. Now, he will be a far ball free. Just look at this. And also, your top right corner of people of Shemina. Which count the number of people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mbappé far ball free. 10 in and out. Go do the boxing. Now, 3 players also that for him before he slotted it into the back of the net. Mbappé. I was always a branch on a greater. 19 years, no, I just walk up. Yeah. 19. And okay, France in Argentina. So I brought her a brand young boy.
Quarter final then.
Obo French national team. Tio. Yenka national team biya keke se France national team. Na young boy Obo national team France. Ne team siwa beti. Na only a certain Argentina. Toe to toe.
Even that game no I held Di Maria goal but still not enough. Near now of course saying red card to France. I went here for Nicolas Otamendi. But Puma Peja Bobby to Argentina for it. No new Otamendi. Pa. We can have player Marcos Rojo.
No pincher rough. Mbappé there. Me, I want to move that branch and it will be great.
Oh, yeah. Mbappé is a brilliant player. Which at his age, 53 goals for country. 53 goals. He's right there with the Thierry Henry, with the Olivier Giroud, with the Karim Mustafa Benzema. The real big name French players actually goes to the one. Kylian is there. India, the Akane is that still he has not won the Champions League. And he has still not won the best player of the year. And yes, Maka said, one year, the winning of the Ballon d'Or by Ousmane Dembele, a French player that a lot of people have compared to Mbappé, which a bit here idea is to push the young man to go to heights that even he didn't believe that he would get there. Now it's an over game, Nana. No, our ankle issue can crack. Oh, the 9-1. I don't feel say, I said the ankle not started saying, baby. Which he signaled to bench normally here the show most sano. And I don't probably PM Madrid and walk back. I'm going to test according to the keep adventure friend Kylian Mbappé is fine. Problem be anyway. So what it means is that you're now returning from international break now. Mbappé is going to play. And look at the statistics. Mbappé has now scored in 10 consecutive games for club and country. Yeah. Match be up
10 consecutive.
Yes, Mbappé scoring.
Have you done for me?
Yeah. And it's me Kai Basaf want to say. We are playing the El Gran Clasico just 2 weeks from now. And Mbappé is on red hot form. Vini is picking up. Marina on top of the Spanish La Liga. On the side of Football Club Barcelona, Lamine is 2 weeks away from coming back. Basaf want to say he can play against Girona a couple of minutes and he will play against Real Madrid. Daniel will play now. There is a branch here, a friend of Femi Lopez, who has not retained. One Garcia Pra. So Barca have 2 injuries, 2 losses just before the international break, and a lot of injuries. Whilst on the side of Football Club Real Madrid, Rich, there is a lot of success in terms of ball no more excitement, how well they are playing their football this time. It's doing very, very well for the BT. I think that Mbappé is getting there and picking form at the right time. He's playing very, very well, and then things are going on very, very well. Apart from right here, your friend Kylian Mbappé. Oh, message is in Kaiman Michel.
I'm Zamian. I'm for stone. I'm me control. Oh, I know the only problem, but as a woman needs a me make me a bobo. Oh, there's also union. In shall padu na in the nine come our park and so. Kevin Blaise was a star player, Richardo. Thank you. So I just to me a star player. Kendara was a message me kind. Patrick Yaboasi, Richardo Casa from okay. Minim so Eddie Abekase. It's easier said than done. But the yen show padu na who say Casa keke and American but Bona and Casa and minim bo. Okoye see do and as I say, I swear, Richardo. You dey lie. Not sure you throw your leg to play orange cell before. Me man can put that. Okay. There ma Insha Opajo. Anthony Boache. I say Richardo Daddy Mbuemo. Great. Okay. And Mayam Mbuemo Niamani be our home. Bien who said the Hunsam no. And so ABC Akom Mbuemo Niamani.
And over Daddy.
I'm turning my pass. Daddy Mbuemo. I think it's an
idea. I think that Igor Verodami Ababesisan.
Okay.
So like I was saying, on the list of France, the 4 strikers, no, Olivier Giroud 57 goals, Kylian Mbappe 53 goals, Abrantia Yefeno, Thierry Henry 51 goals. Which, how many games will it take Kylian Mbappe to close in on Abrantia Yefeno, Olivier Giroud?
Say go back na me hwe omo records no. Omo
record no, Olivier Giroud with 57.
Ono okay, Giroud the leader with
and then highest top scorer, yes.
And the France national team no.
And Mbappe
was 53.
Yeah.
Osa no we do close na wi.
Obetimi akata ni ada so yere we. So it means that automatically he is going to be the de facto French highest top scorer. Our conversation about something that seems to be very good. 10 games, 14 goals, 4 assists for Brighton friend Kylian Mbappe. And now the little injury was not a good one, but then of course, okay, Brighton friend Torven. France for no French France one. Do maybe not come so be a top player and Shenan Kuye. Now they introduce him into the game. Torven in the 83rd minute, Obashir go in the 84th minute, and of course Oyeni goal celebration on. Now France for had a return of very, very good football. Malo Gusto in Kakra boy. A bright friend William Saliba and Swing B boy for the French national team, and of course it was a good one for them. Germany, who said Lucy one of them games in the last qualifier, so they want to get back to it. Which the way are World Cup qualifiers Nekoro, Germany, Brazil, France, England crash show money Netherlands are doing quite fine. Spain, which the World Cup is going to be crazy. Very interesting. And now, Germany for actually less than for 4 goals to 0. Then now, Florian Wirtz was awarded by the Diamond-Shaft for being a very, very good player for them and a number of games about for the German national team. We all know, except for Germany, Abrantia Nation, and for Liverpool, but for Germany, he has been doing a very, very good job for Abrantia friend Florian Wirtz. And now he was right in the mix in terms of the creation of goals. No, German Player of the Year. And now that was the award of the Abrantia friend Florian Wirtz over there. He needs to get back and repeat some performances no, for Tima, your friend of Liverpool, our English Premier League. What is it? Belgium for no it's an FE. Ebo 0-0.
By football, sometimes they be you.
Yeah.
Sa Belgium team win. I don't know.
The golden generation of Belgium, man.
Minim say case bi o. Say dio. Sa Belgium team do man timi anfa na me be mo.
Which I said senior players in Yambe ne wo ni nyako. Kevin De Bruyne says here that I akabos.
Team pa Belgium good days.
And even crash
like tournament boy. Qualifiers boy. Macedonia.
Not Macedonia.
I'm timi
0-0. A very, very worrying part now for investors. Belgium Bobo Kita Burina, but that didn't happen. Which another game there. Sweden versus Switzerland. Meaning so we be share.
Maybe.
Alexander Isak, Victor Gyökeres versus the Swedish team. Now my former coach, the head coach of Switzerland. A friend is saying, what's his name? This German coach. Oh, Ralf Rangnick.
Ralf Rangnick, yeah.
Ralf Rangnick is rather with Austria. Rich. And now, when the Swiss went into the game to go and play, I was asking myself, can they stand the top 2 of the Swedish national team? But it did not happen. Swiss, if one were on the day, they were better than Swedish one. Rich. It looks as if say, the club former ancient and fire for both Gyökeres and Alberta friend Alexander Isak is telling in national team football. Because for both of them, Alexander Isak and said in your proper preseason. And we move from Newcastle to Liverpool. And even with that, he has not hit the ground run. It is Hugo Kitike that's doing the job there. Then for even Victor Gyökeres, it was from Sporting to Arsenal. And Arsenal, on Shedan telling South Shedan she goes, but the thing is that Arsenal is a settled team and they are getting goals from elsewhere. And now it was not a good one for them. And then there are a lot of games that are going to go on. Yeah, the bet codes come at Norway against Israel. Hungary against Armenia, Spain against Vice Koreskelia, Georgia team, Estonia versus Italy, Portugal versus Northern Ireland or Republic of Ireland or then Bulgaria any Turkey, but Bulgaria Turkey don't play with it. Which Enra? Who say South America for are qualifying, or more you qualifies no, and then they are done with their qualifying conversations. Which an opinion issue Now Brazil, any South Korea, ball friendly game. Now, you really show the you see from no. Before we phone now, Obiedi Estêvão. I'm saying, what is it? And then Estêvão. Obiedi is a boy no talent. But why is everybody talking about Estêvão? Then why you South Korea game him? Which, because we were on air, we didn't watch the show. I decided to go and re-watch the game. Which Estêvão William Ebo Braze game him. And according to the Brazilians, since 1961, or the first Brazilian to score a brace at that age. And only the first goal in the 13th minute, second goal in the 48th minute. Nhyira branch for Estêvão William. Rodrigo go as a she go. Rodrigo go as a she be. And a Vini Junior as well as a she go. Emma Brazil for she go no by 5-0. Which you have watched Estêvão. Kasani too much, or there is real talents there. Because Chelsea funny be say, I say Enzo Maresca keep him more and bench no no. Oh man, now there is real talent now. Starting my Brazilian national team, I didn't know to starting my Chelsea. People have started comparing the boy. Say, Abi and Lamine Yamal England. And we're making the debut 15 years of Barcelona in Spain. Or England and come like on trying Kakra, League on building a physical whatever. Is it where Estêvão has found himself? Or people are just pushing it too much?
I think I agree with Obia, the boy, like you said.
Yeah.
Talent in all. Unbornable. Me na me hwene da.
Yeah.
Oba Chelsea mo game ben cry. I'm one of more
preseason games though. Anybody Leverkusen.
Yeah, and I'm sure.
Yeah.
And I'm sure now I'm say the guy is good.
Yeah.
Unbornable. Because munya mo tere kakra ma no. And coach. Munya mo tere kakra. He's young.
Yeah.
Premier League no Kofi. Ne bono untimi fan compare La Liga no. Meaning what my point is.
Yeah, I agree with you perfectly.
Premier League and then La Liga the difference.
Yeah.
It is how your coach are. Unim Premier League ne pa. Players are young. Momu feel league fufro bi be bo Premier League ni bi no. Se pese wo de ne beto public ridicule. And so managing
managing well. That is spot on.
What I say? Because one here, Obi aka Abranton in Bobo, Yamanambo.
Yeah.
So what the no games and as a near man shut down far. One, public no, said Bruno.
Yeah.
Two, Abranton and Casano. Ne confident or deep boat to the buffer.
Yeah.
And you manage him.
Yeah.
Games you on my official. Ebia game ready Chelsea bia and say man Bobby.
Yeah.
Oh no from building the confidence and a league no be bo.
Yeah.
So I think mo managing in kakra
yes. Even against Manchester United no can start now.
And because of red card meeting you draw no.
So it's not as if say Mares can give boy in or Ginidi like both of us.
Yeah.
Rich Messi sometimes I want to be careful because it is easy to find words to describe players like Estêvão. You say, oh, you're analysts. You are, how do they say it? Oh, yeah, it is easy. Words is easy to come by to describe these things.
So we see.
Exactly. But, me who Estêvão the first time, no? I said, no, hold on a minute. And sometimes, I want to see a few things and some of describing certain players or wax them lyrical. Which, me be catch what I say. My very first time who Estêvão William. The main reason why I fell in love with Estêvão is because, boy, you know, he doesn't want to do too much. Baby, you so pass. And only in a game against Liverpool, there was a time before Sobeshe the winner, no, or Banechi deep to come and defend in the box. Ever far ball no box ni Fifi. Actually 2 or 3 players before he took the ball forward. So he's working hard without the ball. And I know your interview with Global Phone. Or say on mobile. It has been a little bit easy for him because Mares can catch Spanish. Who's a Maresca Ebo or Spain Kaka? Maresca didn't cast Spanish. It's Otsinia Maresca can say easy. Now, baby, I be a problem. Kakaman, they say, Kopama money, I didn't know British boys, no. Almost get a typical British English. Bono.
On the America,
I also know. The teacher, no, the man, no, say, on channel English, no. English, they don't take crowd.
Okay.
But no man, English teachers on channel. But because American English is widely spoken than British English, into almost American English, of course, they are similar. Into Otimi Yano Kacho, also Timika, Gopama Yaka, some of Tiasia. Into no see no can one way the Pama Kupama say, you must be the man with you, Fako. Because, Profoning, yeah, and only Musa.
When you come.
Yes, that's what I hear. Happy. Okay, eat and sit down. Let's pass. Center.
I don't want to
know. And you know, he is okay.
Okay.
Which one other thing that Chelsea are doing and have done to help the boy that people have not seen. Estêvão Elba Chelsea no. Enka Moise Caicedo anyhow. Enzo Fernandez anyhow. André Santos anyhow. João Pedro Niorma kebe bad cry. Because he is lucky to have met South Americans in the team. Which me no can say Uko Brazil, if you get to Buenos Aires, or when you get to Rio de Janeiro, or when you get to Santo Domingo, Ecuador, Rich, even when you go to Vienna, or Cuba, none of them will tell you, say, oh my Chelsea fans or Man United fans. Those people are Barcelona and Real Madrid fans. We've told the story of Estêvão Willian. We won't waste too much time on it. Their boy's father is a pastor. And he said, and come say, walk around, one of the best footballers in the world. And also, one of the assignment in Argentina, he's a pastor, he's in his pastoral job. He told you, there are videos of Estêvão Haba, or Tia saw them all bomb pay about drugs. He pay a sofu. He pay a sofu. So, that is the story. But what the boy no economy realizes, no, the boy is good. Ideally, the boy should have gone to South America. Let me tell you the connection. Victor Roque called Barcelona through Andre Kerry. Victor Roque called Barcelona. Don't you man game time? Maybe say a Xavi, maybe say a club. No, he has gone back to Palmeiras. It was in the same club that Estêvão Willian free Mumbai. Victor Roque called Barcelona. No, last season, and Estêvão Willian free the Palmeiras because the first team is Palmeiras. And about Palmeiras first team no be say goals. Was 20 goals. The first ever under 18 player was 20 goals of Brazilian. Neymar was 18 when he reached that feat. So everybody in Brazil felt like, okay, I'm a star player. But ideally, the boy should have gone to Barcelona. He should have gone to Madrid. Because Hendrik is with Madrid. Hendrik by first before, no?
Hendrik is a
problem. Because
there
are a lot more quality of Madrid. Then I'll be. And Hendrik, I don't know whether it was acclimatization or whatnot. But it's not working. Which is the only reason Chelsea were able to get Estêvão Willian is because Blue Cloth whatever I know. Omuko Kofa Andre Kerry. Say Andre Kerry MBO in charge of a scouting network in South America. And Omuko Kofa Estêvão by. So once Estêvão Willian became Andre Kerry found him, they got a job done. Which is Chelsea to Estêvão almost 45 million. Age 17 at the time. 45 million from Brazil. That Ben you better Ghana player straight from Kotoko. 45 million euros and pounds. But that is how they value the boy. And what be PM on him. Coincidentally, André Santos João Pedro Enzo Fernandez these are all South Americans. It's boy no and say bad because there are even more Spanish speaking players in the Chelsea team. Into waiting Robert Sanchez aka Spanish, obetini Marco Correa aka Spanish, obetini Enzo Maresca aka Spanish. Oko Enzo Maresca backroom staff now. Willy Caballero Nhyira Argentines. Bernardo Cueva, Chelsea's first coach, or Argentine. So all of them, they are in the same light, and it's easy for him, and he's adapting. Rich, people should not jump the gun. Baby, Estêvão everybody, different from Lamine Baby Friba. Lamine had the education in La Masia.
Yeah. And it was a Bola Liga. It's the slotting was seamless. Sada Bodibekano. But Estêvão has to come and adapt. Rich, before Estêvão came to England,
they had to get visas for them and papa in Nhyira. Because Estêvão Nankasa catch Chelsea say he can't come alone to England. Usually, what they do is that if South America ba, either see a bit more worry, now the way ba, and I say you will bring your immediate family. Now, you call UK you bring visa and South America for. They push down to say they got the visa for Estêvão Papa, Estêvão Mami, and in Nhyira for all of them to come. He lives in London with them, which the boy lives just 7 minutes away from Cobham. Only far from the training ground. And Estêvão was good. But in 1 week, it has become better. Bono in just 1 week, scoring the winner against Liverpool, and then scoring 2 goals against Tima. Your friend is in South Korea. A big game like a Brazil player. So everybody is talking about him. Which quality is there? For me, like I said, a very, very long time for Estêvão to get there. He will get there. Which Ura Chelsea team with him on right wing on ma. Kopama betting out Bohobi. João Pedro Neto, sorry, the best position in right wing. Omunyam to Wasiema Estêvão. Which the boy will be good. I'm only excited because starting to Yesanke Madrid and about Chelsea. And the way Brazilian PR airway came on because and no Akafu say, oh, Brazil new star boy no Estêvão Willian. You need to move to Vinicius Junior good ya. Who take Casemiro and after the game? Casemiro say everybody knows the boy's quality, but he will get there. So it looks as if the Brazilians and everybody are beginning to understand. Rich, look at what Nhyira said about Estêvão Willian. Nhyira said, I think Estêvão is the big talent that is coming in Brazilian football. I think he will be a genius. Nhyira da Silva Santos Jr. So the boy is good, okay, but he won't get a better handling. Okay, said ya Chelsea boys so Yema Andre Santos Imbobi, Chelsea versus Brighton and Hove Albion. Andre Dziebo na Kiro Mitoma. No bobo na kolechi. Chevo Chaluba red card. Until Enzo Maresca in the film. Yet I say we pra. For me, I even think Andre Santos don't say them price. Right. But they have to also move on from there and then go and have the conversation around Brent. Yeah, Frank, the friend. Yeah.
Yabua on YouTube will say Ancelotti is doing a massive work in Brazil, bringing back the samba play, and you could see the team gelling up. Initially, they were skeptical about European coach, but their perception are changing. Okay. Frank Yabwana, this message at the about Poku 1, 2, 3, 4 TV. I said the media will not even forgive him. Will not give him peace, rather. Kaga and his fellows. I can see as an answer in the actual of us can down say, we have to tell my brother.
Oh, yeah, he'll be fine.
Because the English media no more hard drink.
Yeah, he'll be fine.
Okay, I'm on Kobonavi or Kobone near Manfa.
Yeah.
Kagai, ono Jimmy Kagai, ni days will Liverpool and Humbo Papa be a boy. As you know, TV in the swa.
He's going to be fine. And I think that he's going to be one of our top players now. Which say, maybe this last one on Estêvão and Chelsea and we'll move on. If Chelsea has to push on one season, Estêvão a bobo pa. Kopama bobo pa. Who will Chelsea have to push?
Kopama.
I won't push Kopama
first.
As an Estêvão. Brazil voting you.
Baka go to English media no.
Brazil voting to reach. And then Barca want to and I told you. Daniel Mwepra for another 2 to 3 weeks. And he's going to be unavailable for the team. Me carry last time at Daniel Mobo 1 month consistent. A plan also for Danny. Almost every time there is another injury after injury after injury after injury. And each Barca for no injuries no add Dawson camp. One Garcia is still injured. 1 month out. Daniel Mbappé count. Let us not forget, say, for the very first time in a long time, Barca have lost 2 games successive. Paris Saint-Germain Mbappé share. And I'll pay na me kind the update on Mundo. Mundo for say, and now Hansi it a flick and then the technical team got tenacity. analysis on why team loses our 2 games. Now, according to Mundo, it is from tactical misunderstanding between the players. And until they will do the review, and then as if Flick will come back and gets the wins, which Barca can't afford to draw points again. And do you know why I'm saying that? Barca about Girona, I saw Girona. When I say Girona, the cracks will begin to come. It's football. I told you last time about Chelsea. Enzo Maresca started saying, oh, say, hey, the cracks will come. When the cracks come, it's easy for me to coin a story from my perspective, whether negative or positive from the AC, And they need to start winning. Because about Girona, we are or Classico, no? Or Classico, we are. They're in between them. There are Champions League games that Barca will play. So now isn't the time for Barca to waste. Which yes, money when say now Madrid are on top of the Spanish La Liga. Barca lose against Sevilla. No, what's up, Sano? Although it's just a point, you still know say Madrid for no. Some could do so man. There's going to be an issue. Yes, Lamine Yamal just about 2 weeks, but he'll be back. I'll be back to play the football. In fact, a lot of the papers are reporting say Lamine will be against Girona. Maybe a few minutes against Girona. Now, if you
they are not preparing home.
Or they are preparing home for
their Classico
when it comes in. I bring here a friend of Rafinha, so Baba Kanesa. The important players now, they are all coming back slowly for Football Club Barcelona, and that has to happen because there's going to be a lot of trouble for Football Club Barcelona. And now, on the side of Madrid, and yet Mbappé Ukraine Epra. I bring here a friend of Franco Mastantuono. Now, also. And now on your muscle fatigue, I'm seeing when you overload about games do. And until he has to go on and then rest, he will go back to Madrid game. Same as a branch friend of Kylian and Mbappé, who also went back to Madrid in terms of the fatigue, they send over bomb matches. Which, if international break in the bar, the teams will leave you behind. He says, okay, last season, you feel second international break by now. After now, if a players now are starting so we bet me a Ballon d'Or, Salamonia, I don't know. Then performances began to dwindle because you never international break we bar. You run November, you be run December, then we enter into a new year, God willing. Once you enter into a new year, it's really about say, okay, what then do you have to do? Games never saying, can you get your performances right? When your performance is here, then you will be getting into trouble. So you need to get your performances right. Now, Obi you Spanish La Liga best player you Ballon d'Or for you everybody you which is very interesting. Which you for European see you Africa. It goes now. Now, if you remember this, Nigeria 40 at you.
So go Nigeria.